Oh, look at that. That is absolutely superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, avocado on toast. I first had this in South Africa a long time ago. Absolutely fantastic, but you know, I've changed it up a little bit from when I had it in Durban. In Durban we just had the toast and we had the avocado basically mashed up on there, you know, but I've experimented over the years and I use chopped up bacon bits, tomato, a little bit of shaker pepper, whatever, you know, you can spruce it up, but today we're going to do a bog standard avocado on toast. Obviously we've got avocados and we've got bread. So this starts by putting some bread in our pan. Now if you had a toaster, you could put it in the toaster. I haven't got a toaster here, so we're going to do it in the pan. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our bread and we are going to put it in our pan and turn our flame on. Now we're not going to crozzle this, we're just going to put a little bit of browning on both sides. And whilst that's doing, we're going to crack on with the avocado. So it's common sense, you know. When this bread cooks, we're going to flip it over and brown up the other side. I don't have to keep showing you that, you're going to see it while we do the avocado. So let's crack on with the avocado. So what we're going to do then, we're just going to take our avocado and we're going to cut round it. It's easy really. Let's just watch this toast burn in here. We don't want that. And all we're going to do is come all the way around. Now be careful, you're using a knife. Come round like that. All the way around there. And then we're going to give it a twist. Twist. There we are. There's our shell. Knife. Twist. Out. Done. So that's our avocado halved. Right, I'll do the other one. Straight forward. Knife round. Keep coming round. Keep it as straight as you can. Doesn't matter if it's not too straight. Twist. There we go. Nice and easy. Knife. Twist. Out. Shelled. Turn over that. So let's just watch this toast and we're going to get it out, you know. We're not bothered about the toast being really hot because, you know, the avocado's not hot, you know. We just don't want to burn this toast. This toast is nearly done. We're going to get it out of the pan. That's the pan done. No more cooking. It's as easy as that. So flame off. And there's our toast. Nicely, nicely done. Out of the pan. Let it cool. For the avocado, small butter knife. Small butter knife. Now you can either cut it across like this and go around the outside with the spoon, and that's what we're going to do. So nice and steady across there. Now as you can see, these avocados are really ripe. Now let me show you, these skins are purple. So obviously that means that the avocado is ripe. If they're green skins, you know, the avocado is not ripe. So if you want to make avocado on toast and you want to make it straight away, get the purple skins. You know, and when you're buying them in the shop, what you can do is give it a little squeeze. Now don't damage everything, but give it a little squeeze, you can tell if they're ripe or not. So all we're going to do, we're going to go around there on the inside with a spoon. Nice and easy like that, and it will all come out. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take a bowl and we're going to put all that in a bowl. As easy as that. So we're going to do that with 2 of these avocados, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So we're going to do the 2 avocados, nice and steady, round again with your spoon. Take all that avocado out of there. It's as easy as that. Look, we've got an empty shell, throw the shell away. Right, now what we're going to do with this, we're going to give these first 2 a really good mashing. So we want to be mashing this up with a fork. Now you can do it any which way you want. You can get a potato masher if you want. We want some small bits with this, and then when we do the next 2, we're just going to mash it a little bit. So we're going to end up with some quite pulpy avocado and then a little bit of firm avocado in there. And that gives us that little bit of a texture as well as that buttery avocado on our toast. It's as easy as that. And then what we'll do is we'll bang in a little bit of seasoning after we've done this. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Now I like Worcester sauce on mine, but I'm not going to put it in today. I do have it, but I'm not putting it in, because I've got a guest that's having this as well. So I'm just going to make a bog standard avocado on toast with a few tomatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper in there, and a squeeze of lime. Perfect. So that's our mushy avocado. Leave the fork in there, we're going to use it in a second. Right, again the same. We're just going to boom straight across there like that, and we're going to take that out. Take that out straight into our bowl. Same with the last half. Nice and steady. Get your spoon in there, out. Done. And then we're just going to give this a little mashing. We don't want to mash this too much. I want some chunks of avocado still on our toast. We need some texture. So just gently come through there. So we've got some lumps and we've got some soft buttery avocado. That looks fantastic. So what we need to do now is give it a little bit of seasoning, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper, not much, a little sprinkling of sea salt. Now you can use any salt, doesn't really matter. Give that a mix in. Get that in there, and then we're going to freshen this up with a little bit of lime. So that's that in there. Take a lime, and we want just a little squirt of lime in there, not much, something like that. Give that a little mashing round. Right, we need to give this a little bit of a taste actually to see what it's like for salt and pepper, and see if there's got enough lime in there. You could do with a little bit more lime actually. It's very much avocado. So we still did give a little bit more in there. Well, let's get that in there, and then we'll give it another mix up. Give it a little bit more of a mix in there, and that's it. That is as easy as that. I mean, come on, how simple is that? Perfect green avocado ready to go on our toast. I'm going to serve it up with a few little cherry tomatoes. It's easy as that. So what we are going to do, I'm going to take a little bit of this lime actually still, because we're going to serve it up with a little bit of lime alongside it. So let's just take a couple of little slices of lime. Something like that, that'll do. And we're going to put those on our toast. So what we need to do is take some cherry tomatoes. We don't want many, but we're just going to come through there like that. We're just going to half the cherry tomatoes. Nice and steady. Just watch yourself using your knife. And that's it basically. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to get a pan on here, we're going to turn it on, warm it up, and what we're going to do, we're going to go with some vinegar. I've only got apple cider vinegar, so we'll put a little bit of vinegar in there. If you have white vinegar, put white vinegar in. And what we're going to do, we're going to poach our eggs in there. So we're going to put our poached eggs on top of our avocado toast. Okay, so what we're going to do is crack our eggs in here. Now try and get it whole if you can without breaking the yolk. Okay, we've got our water to boiling. We're just going to give it a quick whiz round like that. That gives it a bit of centrifugal force, a bit of a vortex, and then we're going in with our egg. Dump our egg in there. Now do not have much hope of this egg sticking together. I can tell you right now. It's way too not fresh. We got a couple of eggs in there. Let's just see how they go. Whilst that's chugging away in there, we're going to get on and layer up our toast. And come on, let's get that on there. Woof, a big dollop. Get that on. Right up to the edges. We want that on there. We're making avocado toast. Get the avocado on. Oh, look at that. Jewel it up with some tomato. Get the tomato on there. Leave a space for the egg in the middle. Oh, come on, look at that. Oh, are we ready for this? Come on, let's get our egg out of here. Now, I have to be a bit careful, like I say, they don't look the best. Let's give it a go. Out it comes. Give it a little dipping on there. Oh, turn over that egg. Oh, look at that. Put that on there. Oh, look at that for presentation. That is absolutely superb. Now let me show you this. You ready for this? Oh, look at that. That is absolutely superb. Now for me, a little bit of more pepper on the top of there. You know, I love my pepper. Just look at that. That is absolutely first class avocado on toast. What more could you want for breakfast? Just look at that. Ready for the taste test. I mean, come on, look at that. Perfectly cooked poached eggs on top of our avocado. Let's come straight through the middle. Oh, come on. Now that is absolutely superb. Perfect breakfast every time. Avocado on toast, poached egg, little bit of lime, some tomatoes and a dobbin of black pepper. How easy is that? Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.